Hi, my name is Kranti. Uh, I work for a company called Moitex. It's a product development company where we deal with the BI products. And I manage the offshore side of the offshore portion of the consulting side, where we do implement the BI products for the customers. So that's the core part, and I manage the team here. That's brief about my introduction. Anything that related to I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad, and I love to be here.
Okay.
I don't travel much.
How did you come to know of this workshop?
I generally check the Mera event site once in a while. That's where actually I found this.
Oh, okay.
And I attend anything that is which is different from what I generally do, so that something different I can try, and it might rejuvenate my
That's good actually. We need to do that regularly.
yeah. Absolutely.
So, how was your experience today with the innovation workshop?
It's really good. The good part about this is like you have activity that you do quite often.
Yeah.
Because if you have to listen for a while, you get bored.
Right.
You might get sleep. You get AC. You get good food. You get all the snacks. And it's like relaxing sometimes. But this is like okay. You have to think through. You have to apply your mind. It's like most of the sessions what I attend is like listening. So rather this was actually doing some activity, and I was also nervous. Okay, anything that I can fumble upon or anything that I could not do. So that was a little nervous case also. There was cases like that.
So, if you have to express your experience of this workshop in one word, what would that be?
Energy.
Okay.
To keep it simple.
Yeah. So, anything which you want modified or changed within this workshop to make it a better program?
So anything that we can do a follow-ups. See, the first part is always good, but generally, I mean, we learn a lot of things here. But how is that actually can continue to do this? So you learn a lot of good things.
Have a continued relation or experience.
Relation, experience, and anything that we can get in touch so that we can continue to do this innovation stuff. Because again, you go back to your work, and again, I try to find something on the AI events. I go into a different direction. So this is where I'm interested in, where I want to do some innovation stuff. Definitely, I am keen on that. So that's where I'm looking to.
Not that. And what was the most enjoyable thing? Something which you enjoyed the most on this program?
The best, the most, and I'm liking to do that, which I found today, is talking to people. It's actually interviewing about. You have a set of questionnaire that you have to talk to. It's not questionnaire actually. We started to prepare a questionnaire, and later when I started it actually became informal, and you have to build a rapport, and then so that was quite interesting. People were opening up. People were taking my mobile number, saying, "Okay, I want this idea to flourish, or I want to participate in this." So that was really interesting.
Okay, so would you recommend this workshop to your friends or colleagues?
Absolutely. At least I'll try whatever I can, because I want this to be there in my office also. I'll see if I can arrange in my office.
And what will be the reason, which you think is the most, most valid reason for this recommendation?
The valid reason is like, in general in office culture, the way it happens is you don't have this. It's not a process. You don't have a brainstorming in a proper way. I mean, the one good thing I learned was brainstorming, where people actually, when you start giving an idea, you actually evaluate then and there. That's what I learned today, that okay, brainstorming, don't evaluate.
Right.
Brainstorming, do a brainstorming. Collect ideas, don't evaluate. You actually evaluate then and there itself, and that gets knocked off. Though it's a good idea, it gets knocked off because of your evaluation comments that okay, this may not work, that's it, it's gone.
Okay, that's interesting to know. So if you have to explain our trainer or the presenter in one word or couple of words, how would you express about our presenter?
One or two words, okay?
So you can talk longer.
Okay, so overall, I mean, I'm happy for this to be here to part of this session, and it's actually excellent. To keep it simple, it's excellent to be here and learn some new things.
Okay. And we have been talking about the major takeaways, but couple of major takeaways which you think you can straight away implement within your work, or anything which you think are the real key learning for you.
Yeah, I think as I said, like brainstorming and all this. So that's what I was asking Deepak. Can you share me the PPT so that I can run through that? And because there's a lot of information that was shared, but anything that I can apply immediately is what the brainstorming.
Okay.
That's one thing that I'll definitely do.
And the last question I have is something in your mindset which has changed prior to this workshop and after this workshop. That.
I think I'll talk
shift.
about the same thing, which is brainstorming.
Okay.
Because brainstorming, I used to do an evaluation there and there. I used to call for a brainstorming. We used to do an evaluation there. Will it work this way? And I was also asking for participation to do the evaluation. That's
Right.
not the case. I think that
So
should.
how do you think you would do it henceforth? Like going ahead, what kind of strategy you would follow?
I think the brainstorming is just to ask for participation, collect the ideas, and clarify things rather than and there evaluate. So to start with, let's talk about this particular component where we can improve up some process here or build a new feature in this particular area. So that is where, and we'll sit together and we'll try to brainstorm. So brainstorm some don'ts, never do that. So that's what I'll try to do.
Okay. Thanks for your time today for this workshop. It was helpful to get maybe new ideas to you, and we also get more ideas as
Absolutely.
we talk with more people. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm also happy to